We'll guide you through how to set up PHP in VS Code for web development. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So instead of setting up PHP manually, we will use ZAMP because it makes everything much easier and avoids common errors like PHP not found or server issue. Let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser to your liking. I'm using Google Chrome, and in the search bar, just search for ZAMP. Now you will see the official ZAMP. Just click on it and you will see different download options. Just choose your operating system. In my case, it's going to be Windows, and it will say your download will start automatically, and if it does not, click here. The download has already been started. Just wait for the download to finish and you will see a warning pop up. Just click on OK and click on next. From here, just click on next and click on next. Choose your language and click on next. Click on next and wait for the ZAMP to install in your computer. And once the installation is finished, and click on finish. After that, the ZAMP control panel will open and you will see different list of components like Apache MySQL, like so. And to run PHP, we first need to start Apache. So just click on start on Apache. Just click on start and wait for it. And once the background of the Apache is green, it means that it is successfully running. Now just open your browser, and in the browser just type localhost and hit enter. Now if you see a ZAMP dashboard, that means everything is working correctly. Now let's connect this with Visual Studio Code. Now just go to your File Explorer and go to your C drive, and from C drive you will see the folder for ZAMP. Just open the folder and then you will find an folder for htdocs. Just open the htdocs, and this is where all of your PHP project will be stored. Inside htdocs, just create a new folder. Just right click on it and click on new and create a folder. You can give the folder a name, for example, my app. Now just open the my app folder and right click on it and choose to open with code, and your VS Code will open in that folder. Just click on I trust the authors, and now that the folder is open, just create a new file. Just click on new file and name it like test, and make sure to add .php as an extension and hit enter. Now inside this file we will write a simple PHP code like this. To save it, just go to files and click on save, or you can just press Ctrl and S on your keyboard. Now to run this, just go to the browser to your liking, and in the new tab type this exactly. Just type http://localhost/ your folder and your file name and hit enter. And you should now see the output. This means your PHP setup with ZAMP and Visual Studio Code is working perfectly.